some would say an enduring obsession for law and order, something for which he unapologetically enforced throughout his time as mayor of Davao City.
Yaw.
Not, as the prosecution say, through sowing murder and mayhem,
Yaw.
but through winning the love, respect, and admiration of his fellow citizens. The very same citizens
Ang ganda nung sabi niyang yun. Hindi doon sa pinapalabas itong prosecutor na masamang tao siya. Hindi. Si Pangulong Duterte naging profesor pagdating sa law at talaga namang nag-aral ng law at talagang yung kanyang passion na implement ang law and order sa Davao City ay nangyari. Kasi remember yung kanilang akusasyon, panahon pa na din ng mayor si Pangulong Duterte. So sinasabi niya dito, if President Duterte is a lawless person implementing lawless policy, sana magulo yung lugar nila, sana ganito, chaos yung hindi Sinasabi niya dito that PRRD respect the law. Respect niya sobra ang batas ng Pilipinas.